Hello, ma'am. Good morning.
Hello, ma'am.
Can you please introduce yourself?
I'm ABD 1402.
How old are you?
I am 32 years old.
What is your marital status?
I am married.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have. I have one daughter. She is 6 years old right now.
Who will take care of her when you work abroad?
My husband and my mother.
Do you have any experience working as domestic helper?
No, I am a first-time applicant as a domestic helper abroad. However, I have experience here in the Philippines as a housemaid for 4 years. I serve a family having 2 adults and 2 children.
Okay, being a household helper, what are your main duties and responsibilities?
I cook, I wash clothes, wash dishes. I am responsible in doing all the household chores, and I am responsible also by sending and pick up the children in the school.
In the future, if your employer has a child, are you willing to send the children to school if you need to?
Yes, I am willing, and it's my pleasure to do that responsibility.
Are you willing to teach or tutor your future employer's children like reading, counting, writing, or any other learning activities?
Yes, I am very much willing.
Are you willing to eat Chinese food when you get there?
Yes, I am, and I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese food.
If you're homesick, what will you do?
I will focus my work. I will remind myself why I am here. And if I have a free time, I will call my family through video call so that I can see and hear their voices.
If your day off is not on Sunday or you don't have any day off because your employer needs your assistance, are you still willing to take the job?
Yes, I am willing.
Are you afraid of dogs or cats or any other pets?
No, I am not afraid because I love pets.
Are you willing to also take care of pets, like walking the dog daily?
Yes, if it's needed, I am willing.
Are you willing to also put down your phone and promise not to use it during your working hour?
Yes, because my work is my first priority.
When your employer gets angry at you, when you make a mistake, what will you do?
I stay calm, I apologize, and I will learn from my mistake, and I promise to them that it will not happen again.
Okay, why choose Hong Kong?
I choose Hong Kong. Aside from higher salary, this is a place for us. This is a safe place for a domestic helper like me, and they have a better job opportunities to help and sustain my family needs.
If you work in Hong Kong, how long do you plan?
If I get hired, I will work in Hong Kong as my employer need me, and we have a good relationship.
Okay, last, say a few words for your future employer.
Hello, ma'am, sir. Good day. My name is Hazel Baha Masupol. I am hardworking, willing to train, trustworthy, reliable, and patient. Please choose me and give me a chance to be part of your family. I promise to follow all your instructions. I will love your children as mine, and I will end my contract with determination and good service. Thank you and hope to see you soon. Have a great day.